We are AceLon Chemicals and Fiber Corporation, one of the best yarn makers in Taiwan. Since when we were established in 1988, we've been known as a reliable yarn supplier, specializing in functional and sustainable yarns. When it comes to protective clothing or workwear, anti-static and durable properties are what come to mind. I'd like to introduce two functional yarns we can offer to the hard-working man or woman. Let's start with our anti-static yarn, AceStatic. We have all experienced to dissipate electrostatic discharges. The products I've mentioned you're interested in, we would be happy to provide more information. Thank you.